as we saw previously, in order to update the information in the tools that are contained in the PDA, all that is necessary is to perform an autosync or put the PDA in the cradle. In order to create or transfer new tools from the PC to the PDA, we just need to select the tools that we want to transfer, click select and click transfer. In order to delete tools from the PDA, we have to initialize the database. Let's say that I no longer want to have this group of tools in the PDA. All I have to do is go to mobile devices, initialize device database. I can click on start, and that will refresh the database and delete the existing tools in the PDA. And now if I click on refresh, I can see that my existing tools are no longer in the PDA. Let me go ahead and make some changes to my existing tools and create a new list of tools for my PDA. I am going to navigate to the tool definition window. I want to close the transfer console. I have my existing tools here, and I have my PDA tool, which I'm going to open by double clicking. I'm going to review the information in here. The PDA tool only contains one tag, and under data validation there is a low limit of 10 that if I exceed, there is a required comment that I need to enter. Okay, let me review the tool options. This is a tool that requires the data to be submitted for approval, and I would also like to require a signature every time the data is transferred back to the PC. I click OK, and I can save the changes and exit. Let me review another tool, PDA tool number 2. In this tool I have two tags for which I am collecting information, and there were no limits. The options also require data entry to be displayed for approval. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to exit. And the last tool, PDA 3, is a tool that has 3 tags, and the last tag contains a conditional specification in which it will only be collected if the second value is greater than 50. I can save and exit. And now I'm going to transfer those 3 tools to the PDA. The PDA tool number 2 and number 3, click select and transfer the tools to the PDA. Once the process is completed, I can close the window and see the 3 tools that have been created in the PDA.